So when you come into alignment and your focus is there at that pillar of light, right at your spine, when you create that connection that makes you a self-charging battery, when you're self-referenced and self-sourced, then you will be a vibrational match to those who are also self-referenced and also self-sourced. It takes some time for you to see the manifestation of this in your 3D reality, but the shift starts to happen immediately. You start to separate from those who are not in alignment. They naturally wish to stay away, and you will start to pull those people in who are in alignment. And when so many come together, so many people come together who are in alignment, there's a coherence that happens, there's a harmony that happens. There is absolutely no need for outside law when everyone is in alignment with themselves. When you, as a human, with your exquisite blend of qualities, with the genius creation that your body, mind, and spirit is, and you are in alignment with yourself and let go all of that extra crap that you don't need, the bad habits, the toxic food, the toxic relationships, the mess, the crap, the noise. Let go of all of that. Come into alignment with yourself. Come together with those who are also in alignment. Coherence, harmony. In biology, it's called emergence. It is the biological phenomenon when the entire school of fish turns at the same time and the entire flock of birds twist and turns all together. They are all self-sourced, self-referenced, making the same choice at the same time. There are many gatherings on this planet, many gatherings all over the planet where people come into the state of coherence together. And it is like a sea of peace, everyone with the same directive. And you've all experienced it before, somewhere at some time. Some of you may be lucky enough to experience it on a regular basis, but everyone who's watching this now has experienced it before. Just think about it and you'll remember, where everybody felt happy, everybody felt sure about what they were doing, and they came into harmony with each other. They all tapped in to that unifying force, the unifying force that is love, the unifying force that heals your body, heals your mind, heals your spirit, the power that erases karma, erases old hurts, sends the signal to the heart that the body is safe, and the heart lets the nervous system know that the body is safe and the environment is safe. In this state, solutions to your problems will arise spontaneously. The right people come into your life spontaneously. Old hurts are healed. People apologize. People are able to see the truth, but it starts from within. What I'm seeing is a field, an expansive field. They're showing me all of you, and I'm seeing it symbolized by huge field. It goes on for miles as far as I can see. And all throughout this field, there are these posts made of very fine wood, and every post represents one of you. And in the ground, there is a place for each post. Place has been made for each post. It's the point of alignment. And sometimes I find myself on a timeline that I'm sure you find yourself on, where you look around the world and all you see is people who are out of alignment, people who are not self-referenced, people who are blaming and hating, people who are living in shame, people who can't see past their misery, their limiting beliefs, and it creates so much chaos that it just feels impossible. But that is what you see when you're at a low vibration. That's what the world looks like. That's the timeline you find yourself on. When you're at a low vibration, then you come into alignment. Your vibration naturally rises. It's the most natural thing in the world. It just rises naturally. And I'm seeing all of these posts just going into their place. And it just happens one by one until I'm looking out on this field and there's just perfect order in perfect harmony. And we are vibrating in a state of Christ consciousness, every one of us. And then we start to emit, each of us starts to emit this beautiful song. Like each one of us is just the most complex, exquisite instrument. Each one of us starts to vibrate out this beautiful song. And I'm hearing it. I'm hearing it in my head. And it's like, oh, the power that erases karma, erases old hurts, sends the signal to the heart that the body is safe, and the heart lets the nervous system know that the body is safe and the environment is that sounds pretty. That is so pretty. Like, so wonderful. It just makes me feel like laughing. Mm.